We've just finished styling this gorgeous beachfront property on the Gold Coast, and I'm the lucky bird that gets to show you around the outside here and tell you how we styled each of the spaces. So the first area I want to talk about is this dining space. We've got this gorgeous streamlined setting from early settler. It doesn't make a huge colourful statement. It blends in beautifully from the indoors to out, which is that seamless transition we wanted. But it's got the gorgeous round edges, beautiful sort of fluted detailing that looks beautiful right here. And then we've brought in the warmth with the styling. So you can see here we've got this gorgeous timber tray. I mean, look at that. That is so rustic. And that rustic element ties in really beautifully with the servery and the stools that are around the corner here. And just lots of round pieces, round cocktail glasses, round candle, and then the round plates, just to create the balance of this rectangle tray. And of course, we love putting a vase in the middle of a table. And we have centered this dining setting on the opening from indoors to out, and that really just sets the tone for looking out to the view, which is what it's all about. We didn't want to obstruct the view, and you can see here then it's all on show. That's our piece of artwork. Is the best piece of art I've ever seen. So moving on from the dining area, I mean, we've got the pool zone. Not much styling had to be done here. Just pop a cool pool toy in and it looks $1 million. But next to a pool, you want lounges, right? Who doesn't want a banana lounge to relax on? But these are a banana lounge with a difference. They're actually like multifunctional, multi-purpose furniture. So your back's supported by this bolster cushion, and you can just chat with the people inside. So there's double seating. There's seating along this side, but when you want to take in the ocean view and really relax, this is what you can do. You can pop up the back here, come round the side, and now you've got look at that. I mean, I could spend all day here. Oh my gosh, and look at this. I've just noticed that the handrail is the perfect width for some sort of beverage, which is just fantastic. So loving the dual purpose nature of this furniture. It's so cool. And then how cool is this? I mean, how ugly are eskies normally? This is the prettiest esky I've ever seen. So it's all insulated inside. We don't have any ice in there at the moment. That'd be nice with a drink. And just one thing I also wanted to mention about this zone, we've intentionally off-centered, I should say, the umbrella. Okay, so coming through from the dining area, we just wanted the view to not be obstructed by anything. So we could have put the umbrella sort of here, which is centered off the dining table, but it was great to just pop it over here and let the view be absolutely in all its glory when you come outdoors. So moving on from the lying down zone, we've created a lounging zone. So you're not quite on your back here, but it's a great spot to sit. The views you've got of the city over there is sensational. In fact, this is one of the best places to sit. I can see everyone in the kitchen, out to the pool. This is great outdoor furniture, but it was very rectangular and boxy. So to soften that and create balance, we brought in round coffee tables and round styling pieces. So we could have just put a big rectangular coffee table here, but these round ones soften it, create balance, and also adding in the different heights is just a nice way of creating that variety. It's also really easy to just move it around. If you wanted to, you could pop it over here as a side table, or you cluster it over here, which is what we love to do. And if you're ever unsure about how many styling items to pop on a table or something, just go with 3. Can't go wrong with 3. And these different heights, low, medium, tall, such a simple rule in styling, hard to go wrong with. And a bit of timber always warms up a space. So that table doesn't look nearly as inviting without the warmth. And just the checkered cushions. We've got checks throughout the whole house, and this is just keeping that thread through the home to bring outdoors here with some checkered cushions. And now look, we didn't have to do any styling on this servery because it's just beautiful to be left raw. You know, this is reclaimed timber from like railway sleepers. It is so rustic. The chairs came with it, you know, maybe some food and drinks when you're entertaining, and it flows beautifully into the kitchen that we've styled with a few little pieces. And that is the alfresco space. So what have we got? Dining zone, pool zone, lying on your back zone, and lounging zone, and then up at the servery. So when you're styling an alfresco space, remember it's all about creating zones. You have to get in the zone and create the zone.